Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan from March 21st. From our technical charts here, we can see that put in a pretty good candle yesterday on somewhat of a decent volume. We pushed up above the VWAP. Looks like we closed slightly above our 9 EMA and quickly approaching the 20 with the 50 up above. From a technical perspective, we could look at this is bullish in the short term. We are still somewhat range bound for the last several months, but we have to still consider ourselves in a directional long-term downtrend. So if we can continue above the 9, perhaps close above the 20, we could initiate a long. You could be aggressive here if you wanted to take it that way, or you could wait until we close above the 20. So let's go to our zones. Let's take a look at the last few days. On a short-term basis, our directional bias has gone from neutral to slightly neutral bullish. We looked at yesterday and coming into the Globex overnight session, we initially hit our 90-70 resistance zone and proceeded to kind of trade sideways in the evening. So we can look at that as pretty much of a neutral overnight. What was resistance has now become good support, the 8702, 8789 range. So we will watch again to see if this is in play. Right here, responsive sellers could step into the market and trade back down to the following zone. What we have above us is 9290 as our next support, as our next resistance area, and then above that we have strong resistance at 9747 to 9834 with some substantial VPOC tags. So with that said, let's take a peek at the slightly shorter frame, or let's blow out for a second here and come to our bigger picture. You can see that on the daily time frame, the resistance zone at 9070 was almost tapped, and so we've flip-flopped our resistance to support here, and we will look for a break either way. The 9070 is breached, the bulls will be in control, and we can look forward to perhaps a push to the next resistance level at 9290. And if we find responsive sellers here at this area at 9070, we'll again look for our solid support range of 8702 to 8789. So let's see how it plays out, and I hope you all have a good trading day.